Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The former national vice chairman of the People's Democratic Party and the retired general chief Honorable Judge has asked President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to tell Nigerians between himself and the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom, who is the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, who indeed is in charge of Nigeria. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. The former national vice chairman of the People's Democratic Party and a retired general chief Bode Judge has challenged President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to call Nyesom, his Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, to order in respect to the crisis going on in Rivers State. He said this is important because the impression that people are getting is that Nyesom is now more powerful than the president, saying that he does not understand how the president, in the effort to de-escalate tension in Rivers State over the ongoing crisis in the state, who will call a meeting of Niger Delta elders to find a solution. And after speaking with them and spoke in a reconciliatory tone to ensure that peace is restored in that part of the country, Nyesom will call a press conference of his own and challenge and rubbish everything that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu tried to achieve with that meeting with the leaders of Niger Delta. He said that he does not understand it, that unless the president knows something that Nigerians don't know. And in other words, Chief Bode Judge was saying that the president cannot say one thing in public and keep quiet when that thing he said in public is being rubbished by one of his ministers. And he also challenged the notion of a minister calling a press conference to say his own side of the story in such a manner. That's, what does that say? And he was pleased that Nyesom, the way he talks in the interview in question, that he talks as if he is the one in charge of the country, that he talks as if he's the one in charge of the judiciary, he's the one in charge of security, he's the one in charge of everything. That doesn't bode well in a country where you have a president who is trying to ensure that peace reigns. In other words, Honorable Judge was saying that the president has lost a plot in the Rivers crisis, and the only way he can restore his authority is by calling Nyesom to order. He said that he has seen the way Nyesom was talking, especially saying that heavens will not fall if Simi Fubara was impeached. Bode asked Nyesom whether he has seen the horrors of war. That is easy to talk about, that heavens will not fall. Has he witnessed war? Have you seen the horrors of war? Has he seen the horrors of crisis? Of the dimension to understand that nobody should be talking in that manner. nobody should be talking in the manner that Nyesom was talking. But in the end, the judge put the blame squarely on the doorstep of the president, saying that he has to show that he is the one in charge. He has to show that Nyesom is not the one running the country. He's not the one in charge of the country. Insisting that the reason why things are escalating in Rivers State is because of Nyesom's rhetoric. That the rhetoric of Nyesom should not be acceptable to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That Bola Ahmed Tinubu ought to do something quickly to restore the confidence that he is the one in charge. That Nyesom is not the one in charge. He's not the one running the country. I don't know what to think about this, but I think that the judge is making a lot of sense because if you look at it, the president called for a meeting. Why did the president call for a meeting of Niger Delta stakeholders, including Pan Niger Delta Forum? It is because the president, if you listen to the speech that the president made that day, first of all, he admitted that he had heard their complaint. Therefore, it means that the president was listening to what was going on in Nigeria. He said, I have heard your complaint, particularly in Rivers State. And he told them his position, the effort he had made before, and then said that I now put the ball on your court. Call this governor of Simi Fubara, that when he came the other day, I also reminded him to go and implement the Supreme Court judgment. Now, if that is the position of the president in truth, why is the minister, that what about all of the judges was asking is, then why is it that his minister is trying to rubbish all those peace overtures? The rapprochement that the president told Niger Delta, that's including the Pandef. Why is he rubbishing it? Creating tension to the level that the lawmakers locked out the governor from presenting the budget, carrying out all kinds of activities to show that they are not ready for peace. That whatever the president like, let him say at the Aso Rock Villa. They will continue to do what they want to do, which people fear is to impeach the governor, which has been the issue that people have said that it will create problem for not only Rivers State. Olabode just said it. Go and read the statement of Olabode George. Olabode said that the crisis it will generate will not only in the Rivers State, it will impact the whole country. And that is true, given the role of Rivers State and Niger Delta to the economy of Nigeria. There is no way that if they start creating crisis in Niger Delta, that it will not impact the country. Already, the country is trying to come out from years of its inability to export or produce oil to the level of 2 million barrels per day. We are getting close to that. You can give credit to Bola Ahmed Tinubu for having been able to make Niger Delta stable to do that. When Buhari tried to mess up Niger Delta as he just became president in 2015, Niger Delta youths, believed to be mostly Ijaw youths, bombed pipelines and sent this country into recession, the first recession. Go and look at the first recession that Buhari threw this country into, how it started. It was from his rascality of trying to say that Niger Delta didn't vote for him, and he was trying to mistreat Niger Delta. And they spoke to him in the language that he understood. And at the end of the day, the country paid the price. So Olabode George has seen all these things, and he's warning the president to call the minister of the FCT to order and to assert to Nigerians who is really in charge, because Olabode George was not comfortable from what he saw in that broadcast that Nyesom, that's television interview that Nyesom did, where he was speaking according to Bode George as if he was the chief judge of Nigeria, as if he was the president of Nigeria, as if he was in charge of security. He's in charge of everything in Nigeria. He wasn't happy about that. I don't know what to think about Bode George's challenge to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that in this respect of Rivers crisis, that he has to show Nigerians who is really the commander-in-chief. Is it President Bola Ahmed Tinubu or Minister of FCT, Nyesom Wike? Let's hear from you at the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.